So today is, I'm so lost in the day. Is it Thursday? Friday, it's the 29th. I can't even tell you. We're still lost on days. And we finally made it to Venice. It is beautiful. As we were going in, just the water. It's pretty cool. I gotta admit, it's really cool country hopping, seeing different things. And then of course, we've been in Rome. We were in Rome, which obviously is still in Italy. But that sort of experience versus this, it's just
Venice Beach.
Close enough. But I think that it's gonna be awesome. We don't know what to expect yet, other than we've seen plenty of water. And we know that our hotel is by the water, so it's about 11-minute walk, and we're gonna make our way over there right now. But we were on the train for about 4 hours. They have no Wi-Fi. They had Wi-Fi and it did not work. A waste. And then we got first class, which unfortunately the breakfast they give you is kind of like what you get in Southwest Airlines, you know, a snack and a water. Which may not be worth first class. But other than that, we still had a good time coming over here, and we are excited to explore our day. Walking through Venice in these tight little streets where it probably fits about 3 people over to stand, maybe 4, versus, you know, normal street, like 10 people probably could stand, maybe 11 or 12. And of course, when you come to Europe and you're going to be taking your luggage everywhere, be prepared to ruin your tires, because that's essentially what we're doing. The tires ruin your wheels. The best thing for any traveler is dumping off your luggage so you can go about your day. And I love that they have this little cute little luggage storage. Adorable. How do you like it, Brittany? I love it, Mom. It's so peaceful, right?
It is. It's so quaint. I love it, and I love the colors of the building. It's beautiful.
What did you see, Dad?
The waterway here in Venice. Amazing.
It's pretty, right?
Yeah, you always see it on TV, but you never, this is experiencing it the way I want to experience it.
I've heard the coffee here is really strong. Very strong. But good. Did you add sugar, Mom? I think Mom.
I did. Brown sugar.
So when you come to Italy, don't expect the big old breadsticks like we have in America. These little chopsticks. Look like this, and they're hard. Yummy. We are dying at the food here. It's fantastic. All right, everyone. So we enjoyed this fantastic Italian meal, which we raved about. My whole family was like, yes, yes, yes. 5 stars. We'll be back. And right now we are walking through the city. We're gonna explore the rest of Venice. There's so much to do. We Googled to make sure we kind of knew what was going on up here, because I can't even begin to tell you how relaxed we are feeling. We are super relaxed. And we kind of needed this for the past couple of days. We were running. And now we get to take a little bit of a break. Right, Roy?
Yes. Taking a break in Venice, enjoying the scenery,
Roy.
water.
You love water, right, Roy?
Of course I love water.
right now, we just went to exchange the money. If you're gonna exchange money in Europe, do not exchange at, like, you know, where they say, oh, exchange rate, because their fee is ridiculous. We gave 60 and we only got 37 euros because their exchange rate, or their fee, was 12 bucks. So if you need money, I suggest you take your ATM and just take it directly out of the machine, because when you do that, you're gonna kind of get what you paid for. You don't have to pay a fee. So we could have had the extra $12 that we paid them would have been exchanged for euros we could have kept for ourselves. So hey, we learned, and we're here to teach you. Don't go to those little machine or those people places where they have an exchange rate. Take your ATM, take the money out of the ATM. That's how you do it.
Right now we're in Henday, and I have a coffee here. It's more like an espresso coffee. Whipped tea, honey, and brown sugar. And we also had a croissant with jelly filling. Amazing, amazing. And it was so good that I bought a second one. And I'm coming back again for a third one.
You guys know my dad. If he finds something that he likes, it's very rare. And when he does, he is a loyal customer for life. So the next thing we decided to do was ready for my brother. Shopping. What do you think? Oh, I think I like the pink. I like actually both. I'll try both, but I like the pink one. It's really cute stuff in Venice. Beautiful and affordable, like Zara prices. Zara, I forget how you say it. I'm just loving it. Oh, what do you think, guys? Really cute. And only 25 euros. My sweater is like super soft and cuddly. Here's the gold and white one. I love it. I think it's so pretty. We just finished shopping, and then we took some fashion video photos.
What's up, people? Welcome to my vlog. So we're here again in Rome, waiting for Brittany to do her fashion monologue. As always, a different day, a different outfit.
If you guys want to take a gondola ride, it's 100 euros, which is probably about 120 in American dollars. I don't know if it's really worth it. You're on there for 85, so many minutes. Let's see how many minutes. 35 minutes for 100 euros. Unless you're proposing to your fiance, I'd say
Pretty sure we could
pass.
all do it.
So today we decided not to really spend time seeing tour sites, etc. Instead of kind of just chill and shop here in Venice. And there's my mom and my brother, they're coming because they're like, let's keep on going, guys. So we're going to be heading on to this lavender store.
Fitting room, and Mom and I were looking at ourselves and we were like, oh my gosh, we've got some stuff dirty on us. So I decided to wipe my skirt thinking that it's cream from the coffee. This is bird caca from those pigeons.
Been doing a lot of shopping today. I think we're in like the fancier side of Venice, and my brother picked up some cute clothes. Oh, there's a Disney store. Encourage you to walk all of Venice. It is absolutely stunning. We are enjoying our view of gelato shops and fancy restaurants and pizzerias and nice shopping. There's something for everyone depending on what your budget is. You can find anything here. And you will get distracted and want to shop everywhere, which is totally fine. Shopping is so fun and beautiful. We finally reached the Piazza San Marco, I think is how you say it. What it was is it's only a 25-minute walk from where we were at, but we were so lost with the shopping. I mean, they get you here in Europe. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Europe does Christmas the best. Absolutely, 100%, they're the best.